A very warm welcome to Ulwazini Zindaba. Please don't forget to comment and like, and if it's your first time tuning in, kindly do subscribe. Thank you. So guys, in the following video, it is a resident from Enkomazi and he chose to remain anonymous. So Anonymous is telling us ngalendlela latfolakale ngakhona aluza his home, his family, and almost tfolakala naye ati delete from the surface of the earth because of addiction lanayo to gambling. So Nyalo, he has gotten to a point la khona akasati phela ukuthi sekufune ente njani, and he is seeking luncedo from people at large nje. He's not asking for donations per se to pay off his debts, kodwa nje ucela ukuthi bantu bam-advise ekutheni ende njani ngoba Anonymous uthi uvuka every day ekusena emsebenzini kodwa into la isebendelako akayiboni ngoba he is deep in debt naboma shonisa. Uze ukhuluma nje ngenhlitiyo lebhlungu yasho ukuthi ngiyenda kwasa le video uyasho ukuthi ulambile akakhoni lutho, but because of lempilo yena lakati fake kuyo akasakhoni phela ngalokuphuma. So he is asking abantu ukuthi angasitakala njani so that as much as solo azama kubhadala bomashonisa kodwa naye for his sanity. So we do know of Center like Yosana Recovery Center, lakhona it deals with people that are addicted to e-gambling. So after having listened to the video, guys, we are very much welcome to share your views on Guti Anonymous yini ndo langa yenda in order for him to remain sane.
Sanibonani bahlali baseNkomazi. Ngicela ungadisho ligama. 2021 ngumfana longasebenzi. Ngihleli nemndeni wami, mama kwabantwana, sihlala ekhaya. Okay, athola umsebenzi. I decide ukuthi no, ngcono ngibuke stand. Ngabuka stand ngasithola. Sathusa sihamba sohlala istandini soyi2 nebantwana. Ngiqala inzaba i-gambling. Bantu bakithi gambling ingoti ngendlela ephinzaphinziwe. Il-drugs i-gambling inyawupe. Okay, nasimangicala i-gambling, hayi ngilongo yangidla angikhumbuli mina ngiwina imali. Ngiloku uyangidla noma ngathi uwina imali ube udliwe imali eningi kakhulu. Okay, boleka imali kubomashonisa ngibadzalule yabo ngemagama, kodwa ke bomashonisa angikhulumi ngemali encane, ngikhuluma ngemali leningi 5,000 3,000 angidobhadala. Okay, kuthi makunjalo ngahlula kubhadala, ngadecide ukuthi no, ngcono sithengisele ekhaya ukuze ngibe khona kubhadala siclishe sicale into phansi. Ngithengisele ekhaya still kuyafana. Imali engithengise ngayo ekhaya ayaneli ukubhadala wonke umuntu. Ngadecide ukuthi no, ngcono ngithengisele ekhaya lo ngiresign emsebenzini. Okay, bang-advise abantu ungaresign namali endlini, ungaresign umsebenzi uyaswela, nga-understand vele. Kodwa ke ukuthi ngiyasebenza kufana nokudlala, ngoba uma ungangibona ngalendlela engingakhona ungangimangala kakhulu ukuthi uyasebenza wena. Ukuthi ngithengele ukudla mina umsebenzi, ukuthi ngithengele abantwana ukudla umsebenzi. Kude ngilambile kwamanje emsebenzini ngide kudla. Bakithi i-gambling isicalekiso lesikhulu kakhulu. Uthe makwente kanjalo decide ukuthi no, ngithisa stand ngihamba ngohlala emqashweni ngiyahlula kubhadala imali ithathwa bomashonisa yonke ebank. Jinjal khadi bangilanze endlini, bangilanze emsebenzini la ngisebenza khona. phila kabuhlungu bantu bakithi. Bantwana bami hlula nemali okugibela baye esikoleni. Manje endlini decide ukuthi indoda ngcono ngibuyele ekhaya. Hayi kungoba ngiyamblame, kungoba imisebenzi yami. Bantu bami bayahlupheka bahlali. Mina ngiyahlupheka. I-solution angingathi usingendani. So ngicela uncedo kini bantu bakithi ukuthi ngiphi i-solution lengaphuma nayo. Ngazama sesidudu ukuthi sesidudu ngicela ungincede. Nginesimo lesongo ngoba ngibona unceda abantu. Decide ukuthi ngcono ngitibulale. Ngcono ngekele umsebenzi. Uyabona inhlitiyo bantu bakithi uNkulunkulu mase ngavuma ukuthi angeke ufe, angeke uzufe. Uma ngabe sikavumile ukuthi uNkulunkulu utofa because ngizamile kuyenda lento leyo yangihlula. Ngazama ukuresigna kwangihlula. I-last option yami asingizame sesidudu. Ngiyanicela bantu bakithi. Ngicela lincedo. Hayi ukuthi kungoba maybe someone ntosi uyasebenza uhlulwa kumanage into. Yes, ngihlulekile. Ngicela kugonyuluka ebantwini ngingaphili ngathi ngiphila kahle kube netinto engilimatako. Ngiyacela bantu bakithi. Ngicela lisitho ngiyabonga.